Clicking on the gear icon next to the section preview or on the section itself will open the section options. Here you can give your section a name, I'll call it Intro, and you have the option to add it to the navigation bar for quick access. If I check this box, the name appears right here in the page header. Now under visibility, you can set this section to appear on all devices, on mobile devices, or on desktop devices. Under layout, you can set the section to be a full width media, which is what we have right now, and then you can change the section height. You can set it to be a half width media, which puts the image on one side and the text on the other side, and then you can control the layout for both wide screens and tall screens. Or you can set it to text only, which will get rid of the background image. If you increase the overlay opacity, you can then change the colors to light or dark, or even click custom and then choose a specific color for the text and for the background. You can then change the overlay style from full to vignette, or top, bottom, left, or right. Under scroll effects, you can set the text to fade out on scroll, and you can set the background position to either scrolls or sticks. And under advanced options, you can copy the section ID and add a CSS class to this section. And by the way, right above the title section, you'll see the story header. Click on the gear icon next to it to control the header visibility, show or hide the logo, and change the header color. I'll click here to assign a custom color for the header, make the text color white, and add a new color to the background, which is 297A71. In the next video, we'll create new sections that describe the cat's profiles.